Not your turn, fuckface. Jeez. Oh, sure. Go ahead. Wow. You just cut that guy off.
Worked for a year and a half.
Again, the David Kelly
Ride in the street, coward.
is a meaningless concept, but because that's further, they go over.
Keep it second because there's a lot of documents. The story with like
If only there was a bike lane.
Afghanistan in retaliation for the ISIS attack that killed U.S. service members and so many Afghan civilians at the Kabul airport yesterday. Also, we are watching what is now a large hurricane bearing down on the Gulf Coast and New Orleans specifically. Hurricane Ida is going to be a huge deal over the course of this weekend. You need to keep an eye on it. We are hoping that that track turns and that it doesn't end up on the track that it looks like it's on tonight. But keep your eyes on that. And if you are in the path potentially of Hurricane Ida, please pay attention to local evacuation warnings. Pay attention to local forecasts. Heed these warnings. This is a big storm. All right, that's going to do it for us for now.
The Rachel Maddow Show, weeknights at 9 Eastern on MSNBC.
In the wake of the 9/11 attacks, hundreds of people recorded their stories. 20 years later, these same
Supposed to ride in the street.
Memory box, echoes of 9/11. Wednesday, September 8th.
I can't finish my turn with you parked right there.
And streaming exclusively on
And then they conclude shamanism isn't conventionally.
Parking spot right there. No one in the car. It's so hard to find parking.
But maybe it's crazy enough.
What? Very nice parking spot. Like, seriously. What the shit? Well, shame on us for us humans reading that. Whoa. That's probably the furthest away I've seen somebody last second exit.
Well, you show lots and lots of other statements that are inconsistent with that. Like any good mob boss, Donald Trump does not leave a long paper trail. He does not use emails. He does not write documents. He signs things with his little crayon.
Use your eyes.
And he's done that his entire life. And we know he's done that his entire life. And
You're on the phone.
The crimes he's committed over.
Didn't look left before pulling out.
This is always going to be
cut across 3 different lanes.
How many people do they have? How many witnesses?
These people celebrated Ishtar. You know, if you guys don't know Ishtar.
That's a sweet bike you got there.
Please go to patreon.com.
Wrong way, dipshit.
Show $5 a month.
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
I used to read so many, like, Peanuts comic strips and, like, other comics.
Garfield for me.
So I would check out, like, stacks of those books, and literally, one time, a librarian stopped me and got mad because she saw me all the time getting those books, and said, get some real books. And literally put copies of better books in my hand. I never read them.
Oh, I was
wow, what a dick.
Oh my god, my mom used to complain about how kids would anime when we were like, because that was like when we were
28 LLC versus the SEC.
Oh,
Yeah.
28 Patriot track next. Bald Eagle.
I am stupid. I am stupid.
This is about a
Hello.
contribution of the Dodd-Frank Act of 2010.
I did not see that curb there.
That
was dumb.
Specifically,
That light was red. You gonna run that one too? No. So why'd you run this one?
Not for that.
Oh my god. You're thank you. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Idiots. Every day. Let's go. Stupid Nissan. I don't know what green lights are. I always forget. Which way is it? Red means go, green means stop. Man, that is a genius place to park. If only there was a space right here. Genius.
can we do about an administration that seems actively to be trying to kill its people through COVID and demonizing anybody
Good job.
who is trans?
Let's drive down the middle right as we get to the intersection.
This is also an attempt to kill kids here. I mean, like, we
Other
know
cars
that
don't exist.
Suicide prevention care for trans kids looks like gender affirmation. I mean, we know that.
Wait, there's no one in it? Jack that, dude. That's a free lick.
Why would you leave your door open like that?
Jack that!
Why?
No, thank you.
The preceding podcast was a production of Puzzle and Thunderstorm LLC, copyright 2021, all rights reserved.
At Capella University, education is as smart as the world around us.
Oh my god.
With the FlexPath format,
What
you can take classes at your own pace, set your own deadlines, and even leverage your previous experience to move faster. Now that's smart.
I don't know where I'm going. Let's just literally stop in the middle of the road.
We believe in the power.
Yeah, I think that you are on, like you said, that's what we've been saying. We're all on a journey, and you're on this journey with us, and you might end up in a different location, but there's no help to feel pressure. No one wants, none of us here at the Atheist Experience Network want people to deconvert to the wrong places, because then you can go back out of remission, never realize.
Overarching thing that I would is just...
Man, you gained so much time skipping that light.
What tools do we have in our toolboxes, and what tools are we using to arrive at our goals? I would argue that our
An invasive species. And in fact, the fact that they have no nutritional value anywhere, right? Like, this is a major problem, is the invasiveness of jellyfish.
Yeah, as the famous tweet says, they're the jellyfish are not very edible, they're angry bags.
So the idea is, should we narrowly constrain the word invertebrate as expressing a limitation on the delegation of power from the California
What are you waiting on?
Legislature to the California Department of Fisheries?
Good
Or should we
lord.
say this seems to be part of
Take your sweet fucking time.
protecting the environment. And
Yep. Yep. Now what makes these people think they can park here? Oh. Oh wow.
Because they abuse me and tackle other teenagers.
No ticket. No ticket. No ticket. No, no one has tickets. Even though you cannot park on that side along this entire street. I bet all parking enforcement has the day off today. And we've got somebody parked in the bike lane. Hey asshole, you're parked in the bike lane. That's not a bike. What are you doing? What are you doing? So many idiots. We just do whatever we want. Holy fuck. Yep, let's just stop in the middle of the street. Good job. You're in the middle of the street. Wow, wow, wow. Anyone in there?
Nope.
You're supposed to park in those cutouts up there. See those spots up there? No, this is the traffic lane. Oh, well, you can just go around. Not the point. Whoa. See, that kind of stuff could happen. Because people are diving and dipping around through different lanes. Spot here. Spot here.